Today on Uncovered, we'll explore how targeted cancer pills actually work. In today's Pulse, we heard about a breakthrough drug called daraxonrasib that is doubling survival rates. But how does a tiny pill know exactly which cells to fight? Let's find out. For a long time, treating cancer was a bit like trying to weed a garden with a bulldozer. Traditional treatments like chemotherapy are powerful, but they can affect healthy cells along with the sick ones. That is why scientists have been working for decades to create targeted therapies. These are incredibly smart medicines designed to hunt down only the specific cells causing the problem, leaving the rest of your body alone. The newest breakthrough is a pill that tackles pancreatic cancer, a disease that used to be considered nearly impossible to drug. So how does a simple white tablet navigate through your entire bloodstream, find the exact right target, and shut down a tumor from the inside out? To understand this medical marvel, we have to look at the microscopic world of proteins and mutations. Inside every cell in your body, there is an instruction manual made of DNA. Sometimes there is a typo in those instructions, which scientists call a mutation. This typo tells the cell to build broken proteins that cause it to multiply out of control, forming a tumor. For years, the specific mutation causing pancreatic cancer was called undruggable because its surface was too smooth. There were no obvious pockets or grooves for a medicine to grab onto. But researchers finally discovered a hidden back door, allowing them to design a targeted pill called daraxonrasib that fits perfectly into the cell's machinery. Think of a targeted cancer pill like a highly trained detective looking for a very specific stolen car in a massive city. The detective does not stop every single vehicle on the road. Instead, they look only for the exact license plate they were given. In your body, the city is your bloodstream, and the cars are your millions of cells. The new pill is designed to ignore all the healthy, normal cells going about their daily business. It only stops when it recognizes the unique chemical signature of the cancer mutation. This level of precision is a massive leap forward in medicine, turning a blunt instrument into a microscopic laser beam. The process starts in a laboratory long before a patient ever takes the medicine. First, scientists identify the specific genetic mutation driving the cancer cell. They map out the exact shape of the broken protein causing the trouble. Next, they design a targeted drug molecule shaped to fit that exact broken switch. It is like cutting a custom key for a very strange lock. Once the medicine is ready and swallowed by the patient, the journey begins. The pill enters the bloodstream and travels until it finds the matching cells. As the blood pumps the medicine throughout the entire body, the drug molecules bump into millions of healthy cells, but they bounce right off because the shapes do not match. They keep floating along until they finally reach their specific target. Once the drug finds the tumor, it goes right to work on the microscopic machinery. The drug attaches to a special molecule that helps fold proteins inside the cell. Imagine a factory assembly line where workers are folding cardboard boxes. The drug steps in and jams the folding machine so nothing else can be built. Because the cell cannot process its proteins correctly, the entire system grinds to a halt. Without the ability to fold proteins and multiply, the cancer cell shuts down. It stops dividing and the tumor stops growing. So, by finding the unique mutation, matching its shape, traveling through the blood, jamming the protein folder, and stopping cell division, this tiny pill fights the disease from the inside out. This is why targeted therapies are completely changing the future of medicine. When a drug only attacks the sick cells, patients experience far fewer side effects. Instead of feeling exhausted and sick from traditional treatments that damage healthy tissue, people taking these new pills can often maintain a much better quality of life. They can keep going to work, spending time with their families, and enjoying their everyday routines. In the recent trial for this pancreatic cancer pill, the treatment reduced the risk of death by 60%, effectively doubling survival rates. It proves that even the most stubborn, undruggable diseases can be beaten if we find the right chemical key. You can actually see how this lock and key targeting works right in your own home. Take a handful of different coins and try to drop them into the slot of a vending machine or a piggy bank designed only for quarters. The pennies and dimes will not trigger the mechanism because they are the wrong size and shape. They fall right through. Targeted medicine works the exact same way on a microscopic level. The drug is the quarter and the cancer cell is the specific slot. Next time you use a key to unlock your front door, think about the scientists designing microscopic keys to unlock a healthier future for millions of people. Quick check. Here's my question. What specific microscopic structures does the new targeted cancer drug stop the sick cell from folding? The proteins. By designing a custom molecule that perfectly fits a broken genetic switch, scientists can successfully shut down a growing tumor without harming the rest of the healthy body. Next time you see a puzzle piece snap perfectly into its exact place, remember that microscopic matching games are saving lives in hospitals every single day. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how targeted cancer pills work. Stay curious, stay kind.